Hello again, internet friends. Today we are gonna do a plan with me. Welcome back to my channel. It's YouTober day 22, 22nd. I looked at my phone even though I have a calendar right here. This week I am using Glam Planner Not So Scary. This is obviously named after the Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween party. And I've got some FOMO, watching a lot of Disney vlogs and Disney Instagrammers. I really wish I was at Disney right now. I mean, I always wish I was at Disney, but I especially miss it right now. And Disney at Halloween and Christmas are both bucket list items for me. So I wanted to honor that in my planner, even though I'm not going to Disney this year. So I'll just walk you through the kit. This was a Luxe kit. I have a full box right here. We have some beautiful glitter headers. We have our full boxes, heart checklists, some alternate boxes, labels, half boxes, week sidebar stuff, some heart flag checklists, half boxes, some more glitter headers, quarter boxes, page flags, a nope sticker, some super cute deco. Look at that. The little Maleficent ears. Oh my gosh, so cute. So excited. Some scripts, bill trackers, habit trackers, heart checklists, page flags, icons, the likes. Icons, little things, hydration trackers, half boxes, washi, headers, bottom washi, so pretty, and date covers, and then some work labels. So let's start off. I'm still getting used to this planner, I think, as we know. Okay, we're gonna start from the top down then. I think I'm going to use glitter headers this week. These are so pretty. Okay, next I'm laying down my heart checklists. Now we're gonna go in with more glitter headers underneath the checklist. Okay, now I'm gonna lay down the big washi. I'm still not totally sure how, but we're doing it. It's fine. The good thing is this week we're doing no white space, so if it's a little wonky, it's totally fine. Then we're gonna lay down some little headers. Alright, let's go back to the glitter headers, wherever they are, right here. Now we will do full boxes. I love this one. Because I love that one, I'm gonna put it up here. Yeah. Perfect. Look how cute this Dole Whip has a bow. It's so precious. Okay, so now I could lay down this guy or Main Street. I think I'm gonna do Main Street. Love it, love it, love it. Work on my sidebar a little bit. Okay, so that is all of the stickers. Let me fill in some stuff and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final spread. I will quickly walk you through it. I didn't finish filling everything out, but that's okay. And then I'll fill out the rest of the week as we go. That's why I did this. That's super awkward on camera. So I'm just gonna keep doing it and make it more awkward, ha ha ha. Yeah, it's super cute. I love the deco, so I used all of the deco and I filled in the deco right here. It's so cute. And then I'll quickly show you last week how that turned out. The spread was super beautiful. I did not keep up with filling it out as the week went on, so it's a little bare, but it's still beautiful. Cool. So that is this week's plan with me. I do need to mention, tomorrow, I don't know what video I'm filming. Don't know how that happened. I planned out all my videos months in advance, but here we are. So if you have a request, please leave it down below, or message me on Instagram, whatever you need to do. Tell me what your hopes and dreams are and we will make them happen. Cool. Thanks guys. Bye.